Welcome to THT Design Channel. I'm THT, a designer and researcher of homes and living spaces. I am happy to share pictures and knowledge about the house with everyone.
So clear, birds chirp far and near.
The triangular timber abode, a modern tropical oasis in an era marked by a growing emphasis on sustainability and innovative design. The triangular wooden house emerges as a captivating architectural form. This distinctive structure, when nestled amidst a tropical garden, offers a harmonious blend of nature and contemporary aesthetics. The triangular shape, often considered unconventional, presents a unique opportunity for architects and designers to challenge traditional norms. It allows for the creation of dynamic and visually striking spaces, both internally and externally. The exterior of a triangular wooden house can be clad in weather-resistant timber, emphasizing the building's connection to its natural surroundings. Large expanses of glass can be strategically placed to maximize natural light and offer panoramic views of the tropical garden. A tropical garden serves as the perfect complement to the triangular house. The lush vegetation, vibrant colors, and the sounds of nature create a serene and inviting atmosphere. The interplay between the geometric architecture and the organic forms of the garden fosters a sense of balance and harmony. The garden can be designed to incorporate water features, such as a small pond or a cascading waterfall, enhancing the overall tranquility of the space. Inside, the triangular layout necessitates creative spatial planning. Open-plan living areas can be maximized by utilizing the widest part of the triangle. Built-in furniture and custom-designed storage solutions can help to optimize space efficiency. The use of wood as a primary interior material creates a warm and inviting ambience, while large windows connect the interior with the tropical garden. Beyond its aesthetic appeal, the triangular wooden house offers practical advantages. Its compact footprint reduces the environmental impact of construction and minimizes energy consumption. The use of wood, a renewable resource, aligns with sustainable building principles. Moreover, the unique shape can contribute to improved ventilation and natural lighting, enhancing indoor comfort. In conclusion, the triangular wooden house with a tropical garden represents a fusion of art and science, where form and function coexist harmoniously. It is a testament to the potential of innovative design to create sustainable and inspiring living spaces. By embracing the unconventional, architects and homeowners can unlock new possibilities for contemporary living. The triangular timber home, a modern tropical retreat. The modern triangular wooden house, nestled amidst a tropical garden, is a bold architectural statement that offers a unique blend of form, function, and sustainability. This unconventional design pushes the boundaries of traditional housing, creating a dynamic and inspiring living space. The triangular shape presents a fascinating challenge for designers. By embracing the geometry, architects can create distinctive interior spaces. For instance, the apex of the triangle can be transformed into a dramatic double-height living area, flooded with natural light from skylights. This space can accommodate a variety of functions, such as a living room, dining area, or home office. The remaining triangular sections can be partitioned into bedrooms, bathrooms, and utility spaces. Wood, a versatile and sustainable material, is the ideal choice for this architectural concept. Its natural warmth and texture complement the tropical setting. The exterior can feature large expanses of glass to connect the interior with the garden, while timber cladding provides a protective shell. To maximize energy efficiency, consider using insulated wood panels and incorporating passive design principles. The tropical garden serves as a vital component of the overall design. Lush vegetation, including palm trees, ferns, and flowering plants, can soften the angularity of the house. A swimming pool or a water feature would enhance the tropical ambience and provide a refreshing retreat. The garden should be designed to create privacy and shade, while also allowing ample sunlight to reach the house. Inside, The use of natural materials like bamboo, rattan, and jute can complement the wooden structure. A neutral color palette with pops of color inspired by the garden can create a serene atmosphere. Open shelving and built-in storage solutions can help to maximize space efficiency. Large windows and sliding glass doors should be incorporated to blur the boundaries between indoors and outdoors. The kitchen, often the heart of a home, can be designed as a galley-style space to optimize the use of available area. A triangular kitchen island can add a unique touch while providing additional counter space. The bathroom can feature a walk-in shower with glass walls to create a sense of spaciousness. Natural stone or ceramic tiles can be used on the floor and walls to complement the wooden elements. The triangular wooden house with its tropical garden is more than just a dwelling. It is a lifestyle choice. It offers a harmonious connection with nature, a unique architectural statement, and an opportunity to live sustainably. By carefully considering the interplay between form, function, and environment, this design concept can create an extraordinary and inspiring living space. Reasons to design a triangular modern wooden house with a tropical front yard. A triangular modern wooden house with a tropical front yard offers a unique blend of form, function, and sustainability. Here are some compelling reasons for choosing this design. Architectural innovation. Distinctive aesthetic. The triangular shape creates a striking and memorable visual impact. Spatial efficiency. The unconventional geometry can lead to innovative space-saving solutions. Design challenge. The triangular form encourages creative problem-solving and unique interior layouts. Sustainability. Eco-friendly materials. Wood is a renewable resource, aligning with sustainable building practices. Compact footprint. A smaller house generally requires fewer resources to build and maintain. Harmony with nature. The tropical garden complements the sustainable ethos of the wooden house. Lifestyle benefits. Modern living. The triangular shape can be incorporated into a modern minimalist aesthetic. Indoor-outdoor living. Large windows and open-plan design can seamlessly connect the interior with the tropical garden. Unique experience. Living in a triangular house offers a distinctive and memorable lifestyle.
Birds join in the song as we drift along.
Please comment below to share your favorite home design style. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your home. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.